Bless you. Little lollipop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What else? What happens next? Yeah. And then what? There's a lot more to your story. Come on then.